Here's how you can make
Knafeh Kulfi.
Kulfi. Is basically like ice cream,
It's very popular in the Pakistan, my friend.
and you know it's my cheat day.
And mine too. Heat up the pan. Then we're going to add in the ghee butter. I add some food coloring. Now I'm gonna add the phyllo pastry. Now I put on the cool black glove and mix it up. We want the whole thing to be nice and vibrant orange.
On medium heat, let's add whole milk.
My friend, what kind of milk is that?
Whole buffalo milk.
Water buffalo? How do you milk a wild buffalo?
You gotta be fast.
This guy has got some weird stuff, my friends. I guess he milks the cow.
Heavy cream, milk solids, and sweetened condensed milk. And mix this down until everything comes together.
Nablus cheese. Palestine cheese. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is great.
And now let's mix it up until everything is nice and melted. Into a saucepan, let's add some water.
The sukkar.
That's sugar and butter. Sukkar. Some crushed cardamom pods.
Squeeze of lemon.
And lastly, just a tiny drop of rose water. And you want to let this come to a boil and thicken up just so it's a nice syrup. So we're still trying to figure out how we will actually execute the Knafeh Kulfi. I was thinking we freeze the Kulfi mixture with the phyllo pastry.
I was suggesting that we wrap the phyllo pastry over the kulfi. It's like a clump of hair, my friend. And then we deep fry it. Which one will be better? We're gonna get the nice hot phyllo pastry and then the creamy kulfi melting right inside our mouths. It's gonna be nice and creamy and sweet and flavorful and just the texture of the crispy phyllo pastry. My friend, which one do you want to try?
Okay, let's just go with that one.
Saran wrap it, make sure it's nice and tight and right, then freeze it. Then when it's frozen, then we deep fry it.
That's a much better plan.
The best in the West?
It's quite good. I don't know if it's the best in the West, but it's good.
It's very nice. It's like I'm eating Knafeh and Kulfi at the same time, my friend. Your innovation!
Out of 10?
9.6.